Past 1 year, 4 incidents of terrorist acts have taken place in Kishtwar. Starting with the killing of Anil Parihar, who was a senior BJP leader. Then the weapon snatching from the PSO of Deputy Commissioner Kishtwar. Then the killing of Chandrakant Sharma and his PSO. And subsequently the latest one is the weapon snatching incident of PSO of Sheikh Nasir, who is also a PDP leader. Now, due to continuous efforts of Kishtwar police, assisted by the CRPF, the army, and the NIA team which is stationed there, we have been able to solve all these 4 cases of the past 1 year committed by the terrorists. The initial conspiracy was hatched in the year 2017-18, where it was decided to revive militancy in the Chenab Valley. And in this conspiracy, one of the oldest surviving terrorist commanders of the Hizbul Mujahideen, Jahangir Saruri, was a part. Along with him, Nisar Ahmed Sheikh and Osama were also a part of this conspiracy. Now, in furtherance to this conspiracy, a plan was made to kill Shri Anil Parihar, who was a senior BJP leader, and to execute these killings, Osama, Jahangir Saruri, these are all active terrorists of Hizbul Mujahideen, along with Nisar Ahmed Sheikh, who is one of the persons arrested in the case, Rustam and Zahid. They all conspired to kill Anil Parihar and then subsequently executed the action. Subsequently, the others also joined in, and so far we have arrested 3 people in this case. The arrested people have been arrested in the killing of Chandrakant Sharma and his PSO. Among these arrested people, one of them is Nisar Ahmed Sheikh, who was a part of the conspiracy as well as present during execution of the killing of Anil Parihar. Then, apart from Nisar Ahmed Sheikh, the other person arrested is Nishad Ahmed and Azad Hussain. These are the 2 other people arrested so far. Nishad Ahmed and Azad Hussain. Now, apart from these, there is another active overground worker called Rustam, who helped these terrorists to build a hideout in the house of Nisar Ahmed and Azad Hussain. Both these hideouts have been recovered on the disclosure of Nishad Ahmed, who has been arrested. We are continuously putting efforts to arrest the absconding terrorists, namely Osama, Zahid and Harun, who are the main terrorists involved in the action. There is one more terrorist called Moinul Islam, which is an alias. He is from Kashmir, who is also a part of 2 actions of late, which is the Chandrakant Sharma killing as well as the weapon snatching of the PSO of the PDP leader. I am sure that with the efforts which are being put in with the help of Army, CRPF and by the Kishtwar police, we will be very soon be able to get these terrorists arrested. Through the media, I would like to send a message that anyone harboring, sympathizing, transporting or helping terrorists in any form will be dealt with very strictly under the provisions of the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. The NIA team is also here. They are also investigating one of these cases, and they will also soon be taking the police remand of these accused. Thank you.
प्लीज हिंदी में एक बार ये बना दीजिए पूरा डिटेल।
पिछले एक साल में 4 वाक़ये हुए हैं किश्तवाड़ में, जो कि